Chef Maria Kemp, owner of Beyond Decadence. How are you?
I'm living the dream, Jason. Living the dream. How are you doing?
Oh, man, I'm doing fantastic. I love it. Listen, you have taken us now into your kitchen. We're going to make something for Mom, and you don't have to be a skilled culinary expert to do this, right?
No, you don't. This cake is so easy. It's called a magic cake, wacky cake. It was birthed in the Depression when they couldn't get dairy or it was very expensive. I think we should call it the coronavirus cake.
I like that idea. All right, what do we start with?
You start with flour. The recipe is on the screen or on the website. Flour goes into the bowl, then sugar, salt, baking soda, cocoa powder. Give it a little stir with your whisk.
I like this. And this is all the stuff that the kids, you know, they can still learn because they have to know math and measurements and following directions. And then one can help measure it out. The other can help, you know, pour it in and stir. So it's a great way to get them involved.
You know, the nice thing about this cake, Jason, is since there's no dairy in it, it's naturally vegan, but it's so delicious that even if you're not vegan, you'll still love it. Then I've got that mixed up, just a little whisk, no mixer needed. Then in go the wet ingredients. So I've got the oil, I've got warm water, then I've got vanilla, and I put it in with my vinegar. So the vinegar's already in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because your vinegar is actually going to be your leavener. It's going to react with the baking soda, and that's going to cause it to rise in the oven because you notice there were no eggs. There were no
I was about to ask about that too. Okay.
Yeah, so that's it. You just finish mixing it up, and then you pour it into your greased pan.
There we go. Oh, man.
So you pour it in. I've got that lightly greased already.
Listen, I always have to fight the kids for once we get it into the pan, who's going to actually lick the spoon or lick the rest of the bowl.
I know. Yeah, you know what? In this case, you could because there's no dairy in it.
Yeah, there we go.
Once the cake is baked,
okay,
then you can take it out of that pan and you can cut it into shapes. I thought this was super cute. I cut it into heart shapes. I cut the cake in half.
That's a good idea.
And then I cut it into heart shapes, and then I just put some strawberries on top and some little sugar pearls. Now the frosting I use does have butter in it. It has honey in it. So, you know, someone's following a vegan lifestyle, they leave that out.
Oh, this is so cute. I know we got the ingredients for the frosting on our website as well. And quickly before we run out of time, tomorrow you're actually having a pop-up shop up near Lake Norman, right?
I am, absolutely. I'm going to be at Pita Pit in Lake Norman from 11:30 to 2, and there's people picking up orders who have pre-ordered because ordering did close yesterday. You got to start baking sometime. Or if you didn't order, you can come by and purchase something curbside, contact-free delivery, and then you'll have something for Mom.
Chef Maria Kemp. Oh, if you could just put that in a box and mail it to me, I'll act like I made it. Thank you for the, oh, there we go. I can almost taste it. Oh, my gosh, virtually. It's not quite the same. Always great spending time with you, and we'll have that recipe on our website as well.